Well, spring is officially here, and for many of us, it's time to shop for a new wardrobe. So joining me to talk about the warm weather trends is Randy Bergman, online editor of FashionMagazine.com. So welcome to the show.
Thanks for having me.
Well, spring is officially here, and for many of us, it's time to shop for a new wardrobe. So joining me to talk about the warm weather trends is Randy Bergman, online editor of FashionMagazine.com. So welcome to the show.
Thanks for having me.
And I love the color, I love the hot pink, the pink lips. Looking good, Randy.
Brights are in, always.
Always,
for me.
right? Even though it's winter, I like that, because I always wear black. I'm just a dark person.
We have to try something new every once in a while, get out of your comfot zone.
Yes.
And winter is probably the best time to do it because it is so disgustingly gray
It
outside.
is. It's so gray, and why not make yourself feel better with a light, nice, hot pink shirt?
Exactly.
Okay, so let's talk about some of the colors and the trends that are going to be coming for spring that we're going to be seeing.
So this season, there are a ton of trends, but the
Okay.
ones that we're going to talk about today, grunge is number one. That's my favorite for spring.
Grunge is back?
Grunge is back,
Okay.
which is probably going to, have many people shocked. But it's back, it's back. If you want to go all the way, you can go all the way. If you want to go a little bit, there's something for everybody. Overall, it's just a little bit messy, a little bit, grungy, obviously. Dirty, band t-shirts. Attitude
I
is...
love all of what you're saying. It just sounds comfortable to me.
It's just a lot of not caring, which is always in for everybody, right?
Now, Kristen Stewart, I think, is a celebrity that pulls this look off. She looks amazing with the grunge look, don't you think?
Well, not caring is her thing. That's
Yeah.
her MO, right? So she could be...
is right there.
Yeah, I mean, she sort of carries through that look all the time, but this season, obviously, it's very trendy. It's the ripped jeans, band t-shirts, motocross jackets, lots of messy, not caring about your hair. Your makeup is really, black or nothing.
I love it.
Yeah. And, I'm really into into grunge this spring because I have an older brother and older sister who have their whole wardrobe ready for me. So
You can just go through it all.
Yes, I've been cutting up a lot of t-shirts.
Have
doing
you?
that. Yeah, it's really, really fun.
That's really smart.
Yeah.
I like that.
Yeah, and I think it's, the trend is, it tends to be, it can either weigh you down with a lot of volume, but if you want to just pick one element, like a nice band t-shirt or some ripped jeans is the most easy way to pull it off.
And I think if people don't have band t-shirts, you can go to vintage stores. I always find great ones at little vintage shops. You can get them for cheap.
Yes.
Really
you can
cool
get them
finds,
for,
right?
Yeah, you can get them for $10. Pick your favorite band, a band that you were around for, you weren't around for, you're listening
Absolutely.
to now. It's so easy.
And I like how you said cut it up. You can cut the sleeves off, make it look cool, do whatever you
make
want
it look
with it, right?
make it look a little sexy,
Yes.
Go for it, why
Yeah,
not?
so it's not like way too big on you.
Exactly.
Right?
Exactly.
Okay, moving on to the next thing. This is an interesting one. I like it. I've never attempted it, but it looks good in other people. So the bare midriff.
The bare midriff probably scares everyone.
Yeah.
But shockingly, you can pull it off. Even I wear it. I obviously don't have the perfect stomach, but the easiest way to pull it off if you're a little bit scared is to pull it off with a high-waisted skirt
I love it like
or
that.
high-waisted shorts.
Yes.
The Bermuda shorts, another thing that's going to shock everybody. Bermuda shorts and a crop top is the best thing ever. I am obsessed with it.
And Selena Gomez, I think we have a really cute photo of her. And look, how great does that look? Because,
Yeah.
like you said, you're not showing a lot of skin. It's just the upper portion of your torso,
That's
right? It's not
exactly.
like back in the day when you'd have the whole belly
Yes.
top like a crop top or a half top. And just look at the back of it. I love it.
Yeah,
That's a good outfit.
It is amazing. That's from 2 weeks ago at South by Southwest. She's obviously encompassing a lot of different trends this season. She's doing the brights, she's doing the florals, and the bare midriff. Obviously, she's got a great body, but she's not even really showing much, like you said.
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah.
Now, speaking of the botanicals and the flowers, that's another trend.
Yes.
And I think that's been around for a little bit, but it's back.
Yes, it's the famous line from Devil Wears Prada. Spring for spring florals. Legendary. Like it's obviously the most obvious thing that you think of for spring.
Yeah.
But each season, it does have a new life. And this season, it's really bright. It's really big. It's really
Big patterns?
Yeah.
Okay.
You know, and everybody's trying it in different ways. You know, you can go for broke with a full out dress or, you know, top and bottom, but if you just want to do one element, you could probably pick, you know, a nice pair of pants is the simplest way to do it.
And I think we have Emma Watson and Emma Stone who have rocked this look, and they look gorgeous.
Yes.
So look at.
Well,
there we
obviously
go.
they're
Yeah,
gorgeous.
they're gorgeous. There's Emma Watson looking amazing. That's an interesting type of. And then there's completely different, right?
Yes.
Different type of florals.
Yeah, those are some really good Hallmark outfits from last season, and you know, again, it's the kind of thing that's always in, but no matter what the style is, like it always looks fresh. I mean, I guess a flower looks very fresh,
No,
right?
of course. It's spring. It makes you think of spring. It makes you think of like nice weather, which we don't have right now.
Yeah.
Right? Okay, so grunge, belly tops. Well, not belly tops, but bare midriff.
Bare midriff.
Upper portion. Don't get scared. And then the florals.
And the florals.
So that's how we can look cool this spring.
And the very interesting thing is that a lot of the runways actually did all those things at once.
Really?
Yes.
Okay, so you can put all those things together and not feel like an idiot.
Yes. I mean,
like that.
I would do it, right?
I like that. No, well, you even said Selena Gomez. She had the florals and the bare midriff, right?
Exactly.
Then maybe if she just had messy hair, then it would have been the grunge.
Yeah,
you know,
she could
makeup.
take out the little pin.
Or sneakers, like how Kristen Stewart wears sneakers.
Yes, the high
right?
wedge sneakers, very in also.
See? Thank you so much for being here. It's been
Thanks
good.
for having
I've
me.
learned a lot. I've learned things that I need to shop for spring. Thank you, Randy. Okay, so coming up, we're speaking of spring. It's all about spring. It's going to be spring makeup must-haves to go with your new wardrobe. So beauty blogger Lisa Kisber will be here. But first, keeping with fashion, it was another big night at World Mastercard Fashion Week. Here's a look at the highlights from the catwalks of Macaj and Joe Fresh.
The inspiration was actually Malcolm McLaren. He did a beautiful album in the early 90s, and it's called Paris. And it was, for me, it's a personal album because I listened to it quite a bit, but it's also the lyrics are amazing because it's about Paris and fashion. And she wore black,